Chapter 7. The Mysterious Box, but I'm not actually reading it from the book. I'm just, talking like this. Hypers, George said. I don't know if we're going to be able to solve all these mysteries in one outing. Well, said Bess, all I know is I'm mighty hungry for some seafood. Ned grabbed Nancy by the arm and pulled her aside. You know, Nancy, I'm getting pretty sick of these two, Bess and George. Can't we have any alone time? Nancy made a face at Ned. Bess and George, what about Bert and Dave? You three are joined at the hip.
Look, Nancy, don't bug me about my buddies, okay? I gotta have my buddies with me. They're integral to my life and stuff, okay?
Oh my gosh. Nancy slapped Ned square across the face. And he was like, I can't believe you did that. Is this the end of Nancy and Ned's special relationship? End of chapter, whatever.